Hey guys, it's me Rohit, and I've got today's star, Bhuvi. So let's ask him what was going on in the middle when he was batting with MS. Bhuvi, obviously it was not an easy situation when you went to bat in, but we have all seen you bat and score runs whenever the team has required. So what was going on there? Did you had a special chat with MS?
No, not really. When I went in, he just told me play. What a game is, and I know that was the ideal situation for me because I'm not a kind of batsman who can hit sixes, but I can go through the inning and score a few runs. So I know that if I can play 15-20 overs, so it's a good chance for us to win the match.
Yeah, that's exactly what we were thinking as well when we were sitting up there. We wanted a crucial partnership at that point, and Bhuvi and MS did that perfectly. So again, wicket. What do you have to make of that wicket? Did you think when you were bowling, wicket changed quite a bit when you were batting? Was there any change, or was there any due effect?
When I just went in for the batting, there was a bit of turn because I wasn't picking his googly or whatever. But later on, it was coming nicely onto the bat. Maybe I was set or I was seeing the ball really nice. But I think it was easy for me to bat on this wicket than bowl because it wasn't easy to bowl in the first inning. It was stopping a bit, not stopping, but it was coming nicely onto the bat for batsman. But it was really good in the second inning than the first inning.
Yeah, I guess finishing off games is something that is very cherishing and makes you feel very proud when you finish off games like that. And I thought today was a perfect game. Shows the character of the team as well. That we bat deep and we bat long, and all of us sitting out there, we always believe that these two guys can do it. Bhuvi, I guess this is your first one-day 50. Yeah, so I guessed it right. So Bhuvi, we've seen you score runs in England. We've seen you score runs for UP whenever your team required. Then today, having lost so many wickets right in front of you when you were sitting up there, did you had any plans how you're going to play that the orthodox bowler Akila Dhananjay, who bowled really well? I must say that got crucial breakthroughs for the team and almost won the game for the team. So really well bowled to him. But were you watching him, or did you had any plan when you went in there?
Yes, when I went in, I wanted to play him as a googly. Just I wanted to play his googly because whatever going away from me, I was getting beat. So I just wanted to play him as a googly. So and that actually worked for me. And when I went in, MS said the same thing. Play just for the incoming, and whichever will go away from you. That you won't get out. So that was my plan, and I was really worried about Malinga, especially slower ball, because whenever I played him in IPL, I never picked his slower ball. So I wanted to walk on him and play slower balls to counter that thing.
Yeah, I must say that it played really well to Malinga and Akila Dhananjay as well. Just one more question before we finish it off here. The team is looking in good spirit. We won 2 games. The 3 games is what it's remaining now. So what are you happy with your bowling? What you've been trying to do? I know you've been trying to do a lot of things, leading the bowling attack now. So are you trying to do something, or you're just working on the things that you have in your armory and trying to exploit the conditions and things like that?
Exactly, I'm trying to exploit the condition. I couldn't get the wicket in last 2 matches, but I'm pretty happy that when I'm bowling, whatever the plans are, whatever I'm trying to executing, it's perfectly happening. So, I'm really happy with my bowling.
Yeah, that's great. We're watching it from the slips coming out, the ball from his hand looks really amazing, and I hope he keeps doing the same what he did today. And we hope there's 3 more games to go. See you in Palikkile in a day's time.